What's going on, everybody? It's Vernon from Happy Meals. Now, this is going to sound bizarre, it's going to sound crazy, but a metabolism boosting salad, right? Stick with me here, but this is my favorite recipe. I recently discovered this and I cannot stop eating it. All right, so the ingredients, we're gonna go through those and then we're gonna make this together, and you just wait till we put it all together. Thank you for being here. You know, while you're here, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button and make sure you smash that notification bell so we can help you be happy with Happy Meals. All right, let's eat. All right, so this needs to sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour for everything to get all juicy and sexy together. So I'll see you in an hour. All right, so I'm only gonna be using 8 simple ingredients. We got black pepper, we got shallots diced and minced, preferably soy sauce, coconut aminos, peanut oil, you can use a 1/4 cup. We have some fresh garlic. We're only gonna be using about 2 to 3 cloves. It's a garlic paste. And we have ginger, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of lime juice. Salmon, what we're gonna do is combine all these in there, stir it up really good, and put it in a container for about 20 minutes. So now let's bring all these together. And with this recipe, clean your fish off. I know some people are against that. Make sure you clean your fish off. You can use frozen fish as well. Frozen salmon, frozen whatever works just well. We picked a heartier fish. Now we're just gonna put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Simple as that. All right, so we just get in the air fryer. It's preheated. Little tip here, little hack, put aluminum foil on the bottom of your air fryer. Makes life so much easier when you start doing cleanup. And put it in. All right, so we got the salmon, just got put into the air fryer, and let's give this about 6 or 7 minutes. Oh my God, it smells so good. Look how pretty it is. Look, look at that juice. That juice is so good. I don't know if you can see it or not. Mom would be proud. A big bowl of beets. And this, my friends, is my beet obsession. So pretty, so much color. I went ahead and added some tomatoes to it, diced some tomatoes up. Now let's get a taste test. Cheers, friends. This is the way you have fun with your metabolism. This is great, folks. And there we have it. Lunch is served. We got this delicious salmon right here. Our delicious kale salad. Got some healthy fats here. All right. Look at that color. Look at the caramelization. All right, so let's go in for the magic time. Oh my God. It's incredible. You can really taste all those flavors.